Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you this little guy. We call it oilless diaphragm compressor. It's low pressure and just take to the snorkeling or diving less than 50 feet. And when the compressor comes, it have 214 MPT air filter. You should screw these two air filter to the bump. Now you need is a 12-volt battery. Make sure the battery is 12 volt. Now I'll ask some help from my colleague Lee. Come here. This compressor comes without plug, so we should connect to the switch on off. This is positive and this is negative. The red one is positive and the blue one is negative. Okay, we've done this. And most importantly, we must connect this air hose first. Otherwise, we will burn down this machine. With a quick connect, okay, you can hear the click. It's done. And now we have this lobster clip and a clip to the negative. The red one is the positive, and the black one is negative. I use this just for demonstration, and I will turn on this machine. The compressor is produce the air. This compressor is very convenient. It comes with 50 feet hose. This model comes with 50 feet hose and a separator. It's very convenient when we have snorkeling or diving, or you walking under the water. It can produce some air. One of my customers used this set diving within 16 hours. When finished using this compressor, we first take off this hose and take off this lobster clip. And please make sure the battery is 12 volt. Okay. And this is very convenient, oil-free compressor, low pressure compressor. Thanks for watching.